Hi guys, welcome to the DNA Hyperformance YouTube channel. Today we're going to be opening up Kooks headers for the 2020 GT500. These are manufactured in the USA using it's a 2-inch tube diameter, and they are a race-only application. I repeat, a race-only application. So you're going to have to use them on the track or off-road or do whatever you're going to do. But you are going to have to sign a waiver to get these bad boys. And now we're going to open them up for you. And I just want you to know that these Kooks headers have been a leader in performance exhaust in the industry for over 50 years. Been producing stuff since 1962. They're going to come shipped just like you see it here and all this great packaging. Looks like we got a box here. Wrapping here. Oh guys, here we go. Here's the nice stuff. Take a look at that, would you? The welds on these things are spectacular. An absolute beauty. Now these things are going to come with everything you need as far as like your bung holes and all that good stuff are going to be in there. Bracketings there. And the only other thing in there is your other little connector pipe. Now again, I repeat that these are for off-road applications only. They're also going to run you $26.09 and a little bit of change. Alright guys, we're actually going to get into these a little bit closer too. Again, they do have the oxygen sensors. I wanted to open these up and actually see what's in here for you guys. I'm not sure what they got in here as far as extra little goodies, so we're going to find out together. And if you oh yeah, okay, good. Look at, we've got all the connectors you're going to need. You got your ball socket kits for connecting everything, and big one, new gaskets. So yeah. And of course, the coolest thing that they got in there, your free stickers. Again, these can be purchased directly from email. We don't have them on the website quite yet. So if you just reach out to sales@dnahyperformance.com. And if you guys like what you see here, please like, subscribe, leave us some comments. We're brand new. You can probably tell by our channel count and stuff, but we've been in the business a long time doing this and thought we'd try something new. So again, please like, subscribe, tell me what you think. All right, guys, see you later.